Hey partners, I'll be shooting my PRS gun now. I'm getting ready for the weekend. I got the Freedom gun, Freedom stick. Right there. Focus on the Freedom stick. Doesn't look too bad, eh? Let's back it up a little bit. I think that looks good. Alright, I'm shooting 155 grains of Sierras. 2155. And 46.6 with this one. I'm gonna check it real quick. See how this does. I'm too cheap to shoot heavy bullets. I got a PRS match coming up. It's gonna be in Gagetown and it's killing. Two and a half minute right. Too much. What? Are you shooting tank traps? No. No. You gonna try it at 6? Got 1.5 minutes, maybe. One and a quarter minute right. The wind died more. This is gonna be tricky. One and a half right. That's not good. Nothing changed. Oh, wow. Yeah, the flags went up now. So 1.5 when the flags are down. 2 flags. Oh. And over the bit. 2 flags are down. 1 3/4. 2 minutes. I need something in 46. I suck. Not too bad. Not too bad. I was 46. Not great. Not too bad though. There was actually a few changes that I didn't catch. My bad. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like this video, like, share, and subscribe.